Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on our YouTube channel, demonstrating the quality of the china we're listing currently. Royal Doulton made this pattern during the last quarter of the 20th century. It's called Pastorale, a nice floral, very lightly decorated bone china made in England by Royal Doulton. The pattern reference is H502, as you can see just under the Pastorale name there, printed by Doulton & Co Limited. The classic crown and lion Royal Doulton marks made in England. These teacups are very finely moulded, translucent English bone china, slightly reverse arched shaped teacups with very plain and elegant handles. It was quite a modernist design in the range for Royal Doulton during this period. They were trying to sort of bring things up to date and appeal to the new generation of people looking to buy bone china and not wanting the sort of older traditional style. So this was pared down, if you like, into a modernist design. Rather than using gold around the rim, they used a silver gilt line, which is very nice, and slightly not a full pedestal foot. It just narrows onto this drop foot really with the round base plate. 6-inch saucer, again beautifully decorated with that band of floral design all the way around in the pastoral pattern. Plain rims again, no moulding on these at all. Just only thing you can feel on these is the transfer just under the glaze. And there again, matching copyright Doulton & Co Pastorale H5002 marks. Really fine quality, very simple, very elegant, very usable, and very, in fashion now really, isn't it, Pastoral? No longer in production, hasn't been for about 30 to 40 years. And these are in absolutely fine mint condition. So if you're looking to put a tea set together, then you couldn't go far wrong with these. They're not really expensive either, considering the fine quality and provenance of Royal Doulton that went into the manufacture. Follow the link below, take you through to the website listing. All the details, measurements, pricings, everything is there for you to consider. Got a lot of Pastoral currently with supporting pieces for the tea set, including the sugar box, milk jugs, and a particularly rare and fantastic condition teapot. So do have a browse through the website. Thanks for watching.